hardest, I think. Feels good. Feels good. This little Honda just ceases to amaze me.
Got any changes or plans? Got Ricky Gatson in the next round, obviously, because he's got a solo on this path.
Just going to try to continue to do what we're doing and stay consistent.
Coming up probably 45 minutes to an hour in the final round on the Racing+Funny showdown.
Obviously an easy pass just to save on parts for the next round. How things looking?
Things are looking pretty good. I want to save on parts. Me and Bobby got to battle this out at the end. I need one.
Looks like it'll be a good and exciting race for Funny Bike here.
Oh, it'll be a rock sock'em race. Bobby's tough. He's tough on the tree, and the bike works well out the gate, so it'll be interesting.
Well, good luck, Ricky.
Thank you, Scooter.